Making money online isn't a dream anymore. Yes, it's real, and even you can make money online. Answer simple questions and make money. Websites like Just Answer, Studypool, and Reggie pays you for answering questions for students and customers. These questions are sometimes knowledge, general knowledge, and sometimes common sense questions. And once you get them answered, you get reward for it. Okay. The second part is Prophet AI content. Okay. Website like Scriber, Upwork, Favor allows you to offer free services, or you can enhance in AI editing so that you can improve readability. And this is a great opportunity for anyone who can speak a little English to make money online. The third part is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you have to promote other people's products and make money out of it. So you get commission when someone buys through your unique affiliate link. You can do this by blog, social media, YouTube, so that anytime someone make a purchase through your affiliate or unique link, you get paid for it. Okay. The fourth one is sharing your internet with. You can make money by sharing your unused internet with. App like Honeygain allows you to make money by sharing your internet. Install the app, allows it to run in the background and passive income over time. Okay. Desktop users can make money or can earn twice a month, making it a very simple way to maximize reward. Okay. Number 5, or the fifth one is sell your own method, or sell your own merch without inventory. Ever wanted to design your own t-shirts or mugs? Platforms like Printful and Redbubble handle print and shipping for you, and allowing you to sell custom designs without managing inventory. Simply upload your designs, and when someone makes a purchase, you get paid. These methods are real and accessible, waiting for you to take action. And the best part of it is that you can start now. Okay, so choose the path that best fits you to unlock your financial freedom. Your funeral or your next future will thank you. See you in my next